Hey guys, in this video we're going to be looking at a washing machine, how to maintain it. If you are interested in off-grid living and things like that, you are going to want a washing machine. It is one of the best inventions man ever made, along with a bicycle. Major labour saving. You know, who wants to go back to washboards? No, thank you. But one thing we do want to do is make sure we don't have to buy a whole new one because we haven't maintained it properly. So there's just a couple of little maintenance things you want to do. You might notice that your machine's not performing as good as it should, but you should do this in any case. So what we have is we've got the filter, which is down the bottom there, that needs to be cleaned, and then the soap dispenser needs to be cleaned, and then we need to sort of just generally clean the whole machine, and hopefully there's some sort of cycle you can run on there. So let's start off with the filter. Okay, so to get this filter out and clean it, you're going to need a tray, because there's going to be a bunch of water coming out of there, sponge, an old rag, and screwdriver, probably flathead screwdriver. They're all going to be probably slightly different, but this one so it's got these lugs that are mainly holding it in on the top there, like that. Just remove that, but what will be the same on every washing machine, you're going to have this filter plug here. So let's lay our rag out, and you put your tray there like that, as close as you possibly can, because it will literally just dribble out. I've already emptied this, so there won't be any water coming out, but just want to show you. So you collect your water in there and dispose of that. Right, so let's just have a quick look inside there. So that's what it looks like inside there. I've often found screws and all other sorts of things that come out of pockets, coins and things, they can get jammed in there, and jam that little motor in there. So you want to just check in there, make sure there's nothing blocking that first, and then we're gonna clean this with just some soapy water and a toothbrush. Use a toothbrush or whatever else you need to get in there. Give it a clean. Right, now we can pop that back in. Make sure it's all the way in, otherwise you end up with a leak. Pretty tight. Right, that's the filter done. So now we need to do the drawer. On this particular one, every drawer is going to be different. This particular one, this one lifts up and then slides out like that. So again, we all need to do is give that a clean inside and out. Might be soap residue build up there, and then we can pop it back. Now the other thing is, see all those little holes up there? That's where the jets of water come out and push your detergents in the detergent drawer into the washing, or soak it so that it runs into the washing machine. So you can see all that dirt up there and all that black mold in there. It's going to get in there and clean all that out. But then also, you want to get yourself one of these little tooth cleaning picks, or whatever you want to call them, and shove them up inside the holes, just to make sure they're all clean. Just go through and pop one in each of those and clean all that, and then you can pop your drawer back in. Okay, so now that's all been done, you pop that back in. It's clicked in. Right, the final step is just to clean all the seals. Again, you just want to use a soft cloth, bit of soapy water, nothing harsh. And just, often the water collects in there and goes, there's a stone there. Goes mouldy in here, doesn't it? So just regularly give that a bit of a clean out. And then just wipe that down. And when you finish doing your washing, leave the door open like this until it looks fairly dry. So I leave it open for a few hours and then I'll close it up. Otherwise you are asking for condensation to build up and mould inside. Okay, so that's basically it. It's taken me all of 10 minutes tops, and you want to do that about 4 times a year, and that should keep everything working nicely. Hope that was helpful, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.